Hey guys, today we're gonna find out how is it possible to make over $100,000 or even $1 million a year by just posting some super simple rain videos. Let's have some actual examples of channels doing this. This channel is called New Bliss. It has almost 400,000 subscribers and is getting over 2.5 million views every month. Now, this channel could be making anywhere between $635 up to $10,000 every month. This would mean it could make anywhere between $7.6 thousand and $122,000 a year. Now, these differences and estimations are based on the type of content that this channel is making. This isn't a very high CPM niche, so I'm estimating they could be making around two, maybe $3,000 or $4,000 a month, which is still very impressive for just some super simple videos that you can make in like 10 minutes. Okay, so let's look at another channel. This one have only 25 videos uploaded and it has a half a million subscribers. Like, how insane is that? And it could be making anywhere between $749 up to $12,000. It's getting an insanely almost 3 million views a month. Again, this is just from relaxing videos, and they could be making up to $143,000 a year. Another channel is The Relaxed Guy, who uploaded only 98 videos and has over 1 million subscribers. This channel could be potentially making almost a half a million dollars a year with over 9 million views every month. And one of the best channels in this niche is called Soothing Relaxation, which has over 9 million subscribers and is getting over 3 million views a month, and could be potentially making over $2.5 million a year just from this. But it uploaded a lot more videos than the other channels. It got 457 uploads and is getting over 90,000 subscribers a month. So you got the idea. A lot of money could be potentially made out of just some super simple videos that I'm gonna show you how to do in less than 10 minutes. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna need a video editing software. Now there are a few options, but I will choose for this demonstration the one called Shotcut because it's free. Another alternative of free editing softwares could be OpenShot. These are the ones I personally like. You may choose any video editing software you like. To get Shotcut, all you need to do is go on their website, shotcut.org, and download it. You can choose between installing it and getting a portable version. A portable version means that you can use the software without actually installing it. Now that we have the software, we need the content. To do this without worrying about the copyrights is actually very simple and legal. For the music, we go to YouTube Studio and scroll down over here to Audio Library. YouTube provides a lot of copyright-free music to be used without limitations. Every song can be listened on the platform before downloading it. It's actually really cool and very convenient. And for the videos, there are a few copyright-free options like Pexabay or Pexels. Just type rain in the search bar and you'll get a lot of rain videos that you can use without no copyright issues at all. We need one more thing before we can start working on it, and that's the rain sound effect. Now you could just record the rain yourself, or you could go to a website like SoundJ and get it from there for free. If you choose to download it from SoundJ, just go over the Nature Sound Effects button and to the Rain Sound Effects category. From there, you can download any of these sound effects from just pressing on the MP3 button. You can also preview the sounds from clicking on the play button on every single one of them. Now we have all the content we need. All you have to do now is piece them all together. Okay, now we're just gonna go to Shotcut and we have to name a project over here. I'm just gonna name a project. It doesn't really matter how you call it, and just press on start. Now we're just gonna press on this button over here, the playlist, and just add our files. Just drag and drop them over here to the playlist. Now we take the video from it and just drag and drop it to the timeline section. Okay, we have it over here. If we play this video right now, you can see it already has a rain sound effect on it. If you want, you can just keep it this way. If not, you can just right click, go to more and detach audio. Now we have the audio file over here in a separate section that we're gonna just delete, and we're gonna put our rain sound effect instead of it. Then we're just gonna right click over here and just go to track operation and add another audio track. On this new audio track, we're just gonna put our music that we get from the YouTube Studio. We're just gonna put it over here. Now if we preview this video right here, you can see it's already having all the three components: the video, the rain sound effect, and the music on the background. It already sounds very relaxing. We're just gonna determine how long we're gonna make this video. For this, we're just gonna select the timeline, and we're just gonna select the part that we want to cut and just press S or just press on this button. We're just gonna split this one too and delete the rest. Then you can see we have a gap over here to the video part. We're just gonna take the video that we have and just place it over there, and just of course delete the rest. And that's kind of it. Now these videos should take way more than 27 seconds that mine has. Usually these kind of videos takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour to 3 hours to 6 hours to 12 hours and so on. I just showed you how to do this kind of videos. What you have to do now is just export the file from this button over here, and that's kinda it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more awesomeness. And I'm gonna see you next time. Cheers!